Hello, so I'm going to quickly walk you through on how to edit your new branding kit social media templates. So when you finalize your logos, we will send you the logo files as well as a PDF with links to your social media templates that are branded to match your new brand. So you will be given this PDF and that will have 3 links that you can click on. So that we have the story graphics, square graphics, and highlights. So we're going to show you today on how to edit the story graphics and the highlights. The square graphics are pretty much the same as the story graphics, so we're just going to walk you through the story ones. Let me turn my music off too. Okay, so click on the link in the PDF and it'll bring up this page and you can go ahead and use the template. I highly recommend using Chrome to edit these templates. I think Safari sometimes can warp some of the settings on them, just a recommendation. So once you click that button, it'll bring you into Canva. And this is where all your story designs are going to be. And I'm going to quickly walk you through on how to edit the colors, text, and images in these designs. So first, I'm going to show you how to edit the colors. So with your branding kits, you are given a brand guide, and with those brand guides comes color hex codes for your color palette. So with those color hex codes, you can edit different elements of your templates to match your new brand. So all you have to do if you want to change a color of anything in this design is click on that element that you would like to change. So I'm going to go ahead and change the background of this. And so with your brand guide, just head over to that and you can click on this little color wheel and you can add in your exact hex code here, or you can click from different colors that Canva offers. So we have other color palettes that you can add. You can actually add your brand guide elements there, or just click another color that is part of the document. Okay, great. So next I'm going to show you how to edit your text. All you have to do to edit your text is simply click on the frame, highlight the text, and change it to whatever you need it to be. I'm a web designer, so I'm going to make this about websites. Okay, and you can change your social media handle here and change this to design category, or you can change the text to whatever you need it to be. You can also alter the text up here in the toolbar. Close this. So the fonts that are used in your template are cohesive with your new brand that you have that you've purchased. So unless you've changed the fonts in the brand, you should probably keep these the same as that so they are all stay cohesive with your brand. But if you want to change the fonts, you can do so over here, and Canva offers a lot of different options to change those to whatever you need it to be. You can also change the size of the font. You can change it to italic or bold, whatever you need it to be. It is offered up here. You can change the orientation. I'm going to go back to that. And so all those options are up here. You can also make it all caps if you wanted, or change the color. Okay, we're looking a little messy here, so I'm going to go back to my original design. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to add images. So Canva offers a lot of really awesome images in their library. Some you do have to purchase, but a good amount are free. If you want to search for a specific type of image, you can search right here. And all you have to do is click the image and drag it and drop it into your frame. You can switch out different ones that work with your design. I'm going to go with this one. You can also upload your own images by clicking upload. So here's my library of images. So I'm actually going to pick one that I've worked with before. So you can upload your own from Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram, or your device. This is also where you can upload your logo design. Just click upload and you can use one of the files that we've provided you with the branding kit if you wanted to add in your logo design. actually show you one of my logos in here. I have so many images uploaded, so maybe I'll show you a different time, but here I'll just add this little graphic in here that I uploaded that we can use as a example. So when you add in your logo, let's just pretend that this is my logo. It's a very simple logo. If you want to change the size of your logo, simply grab one of these outer boundary elements, points, and then you can just drag and drop, and you don't need to hold any buttons, and it will scale proportionally. Canva also has these awesome little lines that when you move things around, it helps you gauge what is in line. So when you move it around, you want to make sure that things are aligned. So, and they also offer a helpful tool where you can position and center. So to keep everything really nice and centered and even, that's how you can do that. Okay, so with your templates, you have multiple pages of the designs. And so you can see here that they're all lined up on different pages. And what you can do if you really like one of the designs but want to keep the text and the images the same, I'm gonna add an image here, but I want to, sorry, I'm working as I should be talking. So I'm just doing an example here of a post that I want to share, but I want to use this again in a different post that I'll be sharing. So instead of having to redo this again, you can duplicate this design up here by clicking this. And so then you can use this design twice. And now I'm going to put in a different element in here, and I can change the text to something else. So there's an example on how you can duplicate the designs and have those handy instead of having to redo them every time. Okay, now that I've showed you how to edit the designs, I'm going to show you how to download the designs so you can start using them for your social media. So there's two ways of doing this. You can either download the designs straight to your computer by clicking download. And here you can this gives you the option to download either a PNG or JPEG. I usually stick with a PNG file because it's suggested. I don't really mess around with any of this stuff. And then when I wanted to download a specific page, you can click on this, and I just want to download page 1. Or you can download all the pages if you have them all ready to go. Then you click download it, and it will be added to your computer. If you decide to edit these designs on your phone, Canva does offer an app for your phone, and you can actually share those straight to Instagram or Facebook from your phone. So it really is an awesome tool to have and just makes it really easy to share and do all that. Let's see. Now I'm going to show you. So that is how you edit the stories. It's very similar with the square graphics that we've provided. Now I'm going to quickly show you how to edit the highlights. Again, just click that link in that PDF, use the template, and these are all ready to go to change to whatever, I have it spelled wrong, so I'm going to fix that, to whatever elements that you need for your highlights. And then what you do is you just download and share those to Instagram, and you're able to use those and create your highlight covers. And they're ready to go. So that is how you edit the templates for your new branding kit. Please reach out if you have any other further questions.